Hello. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel, After Softest Touch. As you know, soon we're going to have a new name on this channel. But until we get it solidified with the state and get it locked in, we can't put it out there because, people be trying to snatch your stuff up. But nonetheless, I'm coming to you today. Today is Tuesday, October 13th. 2020. Let me do this real quick. There we go. I got water everywhere. October 13th, 2020, right? All right. I'm coming to you because I'm not sure how many of you noticed this morning around 6:45 who may have been out that the sky was real funky, had a real dark essence to it. And if you looked closely and or if your spiritual eye was in tune, you can see demons stirring. You can literally see the demons stirring up. That means the devil is putting his people in place. Some things are going to go down soon. So we got to get ready. We got to get our protection on board. So what we did when the COVID started, and many of you know that when we did this, we started, I think it started at 5:30 in the morning, and then Lord moved us to 12 noon. When we did this, what was ordained by God, when we did this, many of you saw the difference in the atmosphere. When we all linked up and played it at the same time with our doors open, windows open, in our cars, wherever we were, and you can see all of a sudden the sky go from clear to dark, and then the wind stirred up, and you can feel your car shaking, your windows shaking, because the enemy and his minions, his comrades, were stirred up because they knew we meant business, and they knew the business was happening, and they didn't know what to do. So again, we're going to go for it again. All right. Now God is predestined this again. He has ordained this again to be at 12 noon. So we're going to start tomorrow, October 14th, 2020 at 12 noon. And it's Atomic Power Prayer by Cindy Trim, which you can find on YouTube. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to try to put the link in. So hopefully the link that you can just click it on. If not, then again, it's Atomic Power Prayer by Cindy Trim. Once you click on it, you will see it. It's like a red cover with her picture. And I'm telling you, this prayer, when I say this prayer works, it works. And the more of us doing this, the more we can break this. And even with this COVID still in the atmosphere and this flu season about to come in, we can knock all that out. The more we have from city to city, town to town, state to state, county to county, country to country, no matter where you are, if we're playing this at the same time, we can break a lot of this stuff that's going up, because a lot of things that we're seeing is going on with corruption, with violence, with theft, all kinds of stuff that's happening. These are demonic spirits that's on people, and they're operating freely. So we can deal with this. We can arrest people when we catch them. We can do all kinds of things on the surface, but if we do not deal with the core, we're going to keep fighting these battles over and over and over again. And also, I want y'all to start looking around where you live at. Look on old buildings, or older structures, even some new ones, but mainly the older ones. You will see where above the roof, around the trim, the border, before you hit the roof, you'll see all kinds of things like gargoyles, hellhounds, demons, snakes, struck faces of devils, weird looking lions, or weird looking, odd looking lions, all kinds of things. And these are the things that we really have to start praying around and praying on and bringing death to those spirits, because a lot of people don't understand these spirits are real. These spirits set up shop in places like that. And so if you are in an area and your area is kind of riled up or disturbed in any kind of way, start doing some history on your area. Start doing some history in your area, and what you're going to find out is you're going to find out the essence of why things are the way they are, because a lot of times you have certain spirits that was going on at a certain time, and those spirits and that spirit is still there. So it's causing all of this disruption. So we can break this. So again, if we're doing this collectively, and if we're doing it at the same time, we can break a whole lot of stuff up. All of this stuff that's happening, the same thing with the presidency. I'm telling you. Now, I'm gonna be straight up. I'm not a fan of neither one running for president. I'm not a fan. Well, I ain't a fan of nobody, to be honest. I'm not a fan of any human being on this earth, team, or anything like that. but just talking and just regular lingo that people talking. However, we definitely know the one that's in there now is a full-fledged demon, straight up. All you got to do is watch the behavior. Because think about this: how can someone his height, size, and age lean like he's perched and never fall over? How is it that when he's caught in a dead lie, and he lies all the time, and he's always caught, they can show him a video of himself lying and doing the stuff he's doing, all of the deceit, never show any emotion? Watch his handwriting. Look up his handwriting. Even though he got D's and A's and O's and stuff that curve, all of his writing is spiked. We got to pay attention. All of this stuff is coming now. It's coming more and more to surface. So again, you're going to start seeing some stuff that's going to happen into the atmosphere. Don't get shook by it, but you're always going to see some good stuff. You're going to start seeing your lights flickering if you're not already seeing them. The more you do this, because that means you get more angels around you, because the more you pray, the more protection you get. Also, check this out. You're also going to start feeling these chills. And it's not the same chill as when you're outside, because outside chill comes in, you goes out the same way. However, a spiritual chill goes through you. How many times have you guys was thinking about something or saw something and you said something, or you was thinking it, or you spoke something to somebody spoke something to you, and you felt this chill go through you? Well, two things. One, when angels come around you and your guardians and your warriors come around you, you're going to feel this chill because of the energy. Also, when God is confirming something to be true or to be accurate, you'll feel that chill as well. So all of these things are going to start stirring up. Like I said, you're going to start feeling. It's a good feeling. I'm telling you, it's a good feeling. So again, we have to do this collectively. So again, please pass this video along tomorrow noon. And it's going to be every day. Every day at noon, starting tomorrow, October 14th, 2020. Play Atomic Power Prayer by Cindy Trim. And play it all the way through. You're going to, at one point, you're going to say, it sounds like it's repeating. Play it all the way through. All right? Play it louder to your atmosphere. And keep yourself protected. Keep your loved ones protected. Keep your neighbors and your neighborhood protected. All of this stuff will happen, I can guarantee you, if we do this. I was like, wait, who is this? We do this collectively. So again, if y'all have any questions, excuse me. If you have any questions, if you have any questions or anything, drop them in the comments section. If you want to add to the discussion, we can get right into it. I'm going to be posting some pictures hopefully soon. Excuse me. Excuse me. Woo. I think I'm too hyped up. My throat dry. I feel like I'm choking up. But nonetheless, we're going to prevail. So I see you guys tomorrow, 12 noon. And when I say watch your atmosphere, not just in your house, but when you start it, just watch that sky. Because if you got enough people in your area, in your neighborhood, in your workplace that's doing it, you're going to see a difference in this atmosphere right above where you are. And that's when you can guarantee and say to anybody, I know this works. Because I saw it, I felt it, and I made more so I saw it. All right. So again, I see y'all tomorrow, 12 noon, October 14th, 2020. Let's do it. All right. Bye-bye.